Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
You need to print all attachments from an email. This is a common task. There's usually a straightforward way to do it. First, open the specific email with the attachments you want to print. Look for the Attachments section. Many popular email services, like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail, often offer a Print All or Download All button. This button is typically located above or next to the list of files. If you see Print All, just click it. Your computer will then send all compatible attachments directly to your default printer. No extra steps. If you only see Download All, click that instead. This saves all attached files to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. Sometimes, they're in a zip file. If so, you'll need to extract them first to access individual documents. Once downloaded and extracted, open each attachment in its appropriate program. For instance, open a PDF file with Adobe Reader, or a Word document with Microsoft Word. Then, print each document one by one from its application. For Microsoft Outlook users, you might find a Print All Attachments button in the ribbon menu when the email is open. This is very handy. Always double-check your printer settings before you hit print to ensure everything comes out right.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.